off the beach, little studio with storage for surfboards and kayaks, and a little wet room shower. We have installed one of these off the internet, little Chinese gas water heaters using a propane gas. So gas inlet is there, hot water is coming out of this pipe, and cold water inlet is there, and two big fat D batteries, so it's 3 volts, that is what is running off. The way how we connected it, there's a little kitchenette sink on the other side of that wall there, and a little toilet and a basin on the other side of this wall. So we've got water mains coming in down there, the main stopcock valve, cold water is coming in. We're having outside tap as well for just rinsing, washing. Cold water goes into the sink on the other side. That cold water goes out horizontally. We got a drain off cock here in case of very strong freezing winter conditions. They can shut it off here and then drain the whole system on the cold side on this drain off cock. So that's our cold. Tees off into the cold shower valve. It's just a makeshift shower valve, and carries on. Cold comes off, full bore isolator for the boiler, cold inlet on the boiler, tees off to the toilet and goes over to other basin. Now the hot is coming off the boiler, tees off to basin and coming off to the left to the shower valve and into the little kitchen sink. Again, the hot has got drain off cock for draining in the winter time. Now, the way to operate this, we put it on a winter setting, water regulator on the maximum, gas regulator on maximum. It will show off here as soon as it fires up. It's all connected to gas. Shower is up there, so all you need to do is turn the hot on. You see the flames inside and it's showing the temperature, and it's showing that it's running. There's steam coming out. Then we can open a bit cold water, get it mixed. Ooh, that's too hot. Oh, that's nice. That's hot. Hot is showing now 63 degrees. Yeah. You see steam is coming out. God, that works well. Obviously it needs a couple of minutes to go from 30 odd to 60 odd degrees Celsius. Gas regulator, so we can turn the gas down. You can hear the difference in sound on the burner. Ah, it's beautiful. I want to have a shower now. And then obviously to turn the boil off, all you have to do is turn the hot water tap off. And it's all shut. Now it needs to be ventilated, the room. You can't run it in sealed rooms. So what we got here on the doors, you got gaps on the side, gaps on the top, gaps at the bottom. There's like 2.5–3 inches gap on the bottom. Little slope there on the tile, so if any rain hits past the door, it's going to hit the slope and run out, and anything else that gets in will slope down into the drains in the middle of the floor. And breathable felt on the walls, and all the soffits around, they have a 10 millimeter continuous gap, and we have on that end there on the soffit we got an additional vent grill to give a good cross ventilation, so when you use this shower you don't get gassed up. Now let's check the inside on other two taps. Right, I'll turn this off because of somebody's gonna say, oh, you haven't got right to do that, to play that music, you haven't got license. Well, turn the music off. That is hot. That is proper hot. Can't hold my hand underneath that. Even a bit cold. God, I'm happy with that. Them little heaters are really good. Customer is going to be pleased with that. And yeah, hot, proper hot. Yeah, all cool, all works. Bit dusty, needs cleaning. Better dusty than wet. Double check underneath here. All good. We have hot water in the shed. Oh, look at that steam. Good little heater. So, you can go to the beach, like that man over there is, if I can zoom it in, on a kayak. Come back. All the way into your storage shed. Put a surfboard, stand up paddleboard or whatever up there. Take your wetsuit off, rinse it here, have a quick rinse off shower, and go indoors. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. There you go. That's the heater. It's 18 litre capacity. I think it's 18 litre per minute. That's it. It's just a generic one. It doesn't have any company name or anything. And they're not expensive. Then, for safety reasons, when it's not in use, shut the gas, shut the whole cold water supply to it, and that's all isolated. So you've got the gas valve, water valve, and shower is, well, boiler is set off. Shower still works on cold water. But hot water, obviously, it's not giving anything. you got any comments, suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. All the best.